In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a bank from your PayPal account. If you need to disconnect a bank account from PayPal, the process is very quick and simple. This can be useful if you've changed banks, no longer use a certain account, or just want to keep your payment methods updated and organized. I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to tap so you can remove the bank safely and without confusion. To begin, open PayPal and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look for the Wallet section. This is the area where PayPal stores your linked payment methods, including bank accounts and cards. Go ahead and open Wallet. Inside the Wallet section, you'll see the bank accounts and cards currently connected to your PayPal account. Take a moment here to identify the bank account you want to remove. If you have more than one bank linked, it's a good idea to double-check that you're selecting the correct one before making any changes. Once you've found the bank account you want to disconnect, select it to open its details. This page will show options related to that specific bank account. From here, look for the option that says Remove Bank. Tap or click on that option to continue. PayPal may ask you to confirm your choice before the bank is removed. If that happens, simply review the selection and confirm that you want to delete that bank from your account. This WAS extra confirmation helps prevent accidental removal, especially if you're managing multiple payment methods. After you confirm, the bank account will be removed from your PayPal account. That's all there is to it. As a quick tip, after removing the bank, you may want to stay in the Wallet section for a moment and check that your remaining payment methods are correct. If the removed bank was your main funding source for certain payments, you may need to update your preferred payment method so future transactions go through smoothly. Also, keep in mind that if there are any pending transfers or account limitations, PayPal may not let you remove the bank right away. If that happens, you'll need to resolve those items first and then try again. That's the full process for removing a bank from PayPal. Thanks for watching.